Hello everyone, welcome on Frogtech Steve. Today we have a AMD Ryzen, AMD Ryzen, AMD Ryzen, AMD Ryzen 5 with built-in GPU. I think this is the best options if you want to build PC and you want to save money for your GPU, especially for the price and compare the price and FPS result or whatever. It's actually 5600 G model. You can buy the new one. It's actually come out 8600 G model, which is more expensive, but it's also got more power. But for this one, you can easily play, I think, any game in low details in Full HD, or maybe some of the game medium, or even want to only HD play. It's good start, really good start, and it's got a built-in GPU. That means you can save your money and buy GPU later if it's not enough. But for the office job, playing movie and light gaming like Roblox or Minecraft and stuff like that, you can easily play on this GPU, and you don't need to buy expensive GPU. You just buy this one. Just open it and have a look how it looks. This lovely CPU. Look at that. It's just here. Ryzen 5. That is how it looks like. That's it. That's it. It looks really nice. Ryzen 5000 series. And I forgot to tell you, it's a 6-core, 12 threads processor. It's got a 4.4 GHz max boost with 3.9 GHz base. Nice. And I will be done use this color, but I will be have a look on this color, how it looks like. This is how it looks like, the standard color AMD one. It doesn't look bad, actually. Doesn't look bad. But I think the ones I bought for this one, that I will be use this RGB one. This one is really more effective for recording this GPU, especially if you want to play a game on this. Yeah, looks nice, and I like it. Hopefully you like it as well. Just pushing back because there is already come with pre-built thermal paste. And that's something we don't need to push back on the box, close it, and just keep it the CPU. And hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe if you've got any questions, just ask. And manuals, installation manuals is also included. Click like, subscribe. See you later.